Embarrassed by white flakes on your shoulders? This 100% natural remedy removes dandruff in just 1 day. No shampoo, no chemicals, quick result with household ingredients. Neem leaves. Powerful antifungal, antibacterial. Take 10 to 15 neem leaves. Add 1 glass water. Boil 10 to 15 neem leaves in water. Grind it into paste. Now strain this water. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Lemon juice fights fungus and excess oil. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Coconut oil soothes scalp, adds moisture. Mix well. How to use. Apply paste to scalp, not hair, using fingers or brush. Massage gently. Leave for 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Avoid shampoo on the same day for best results. Repeat once or twice a week if needed. Add a few drops of tea tree oil for stronger effect. Don't scratch scalp, just pat dry after wash. Which dandruff remedy worked for you? Tell me in the comment box.